After repairing, let's check how to test the Mitsubishi VFD. We have given 3-phase input and motor output and connected potentiometer to increase and decrease the frequency. Now we are testing in forward. By using potentiometer, we are decreasing and increasing the frequency.